In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a design as a template on Mailchimp, allowing you to conveniently reuse it for your future email campaigns. Whether you're a marketing professional juggling multiple campaigns, or a small business owner looking for efficiency, creating reusable templates in Mailchimp can significantly streamline your email marketing strategy. Let's dive right in, starting with logging into your Mailchimp account. First, you'll want to head over to your Mailchimp dashboard and navigate to the campaign section. This is essentially the hub where all your email campaigns live. From here, you have the option to open an existing email campaign or start a brand new one. If you're working with an existing campaign, just go ahead and select it. Otherwise, you can opt to create a new campaign and start from scratch, giving you a fresh canvas for your design. Next, you will enter the email builder. This is where the magic happens. You can design your email exactly as you envision. The flexibility offered by Mailchimp's email builder means you can customize everything to fit your brand's look and feel, add compelling images, engaging text, and strategic calls to action, ensuring your email is as effective as possible. Spend some time here experimenting with different layouts and colors until you are fully satisfied with the design outcome. Once your masterpiece is complete and you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to move on to saving this design as a template. This is crucial as it will allow you to quickly replicate this successful design in future campaigns, saving you both time and effort. In the builder's interface, look for the Save as Template option. If you're utilizing the classic builder, you'll find this option in the drop-down menu at the top. Select Save as Template and a prompt will appear to name your template. Be thoughtful with your naming convention here so that the template is easy for you and your team to locate later. Lastly, hit Save. And just like that, your beautifully crafted email design is preserved for future use. Now, whenever you start a new campaign, you can easily apply this template and maintain consistent design aesthetics across all your communications. This process not only contributes to maintaining brand identity, but also ensures that you are making the most out of your creative efforts by reducing repetitive tasks. So there you have it, a quick and efficient way to save a design as a template in Mailchimp. Remember, this little trick can be a game changer in managing your email marketing campaigns. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it sets you on a path toward more streamlined and effective email marketing. Thanks for watching and happy email designing.